Next one, caffeine in the coffee actually works for your hair as well. So what we're gonna do is, let's say you have some leftover coffee at home, please don't throw away. So it's very useful.
Without
actually.
the sugar in the milk?
Yeah, actually, you can actually just run it through your hair before you wash. Yeah, just run it through your hair, leave on a few minutes. It actually boosts your hair color. Gives your
Coffee boosts the hair color.
Yes, yes.
How does that work?
I think it's the caffeine or the antioxidant. It actually deepens the color or gives it a vibrant and healthy, shiny look as well after that.
Wonderful. Okay.
Yeah. And also, if you're, sometimes I like to just put it in like a jar. If you have any jar at home, and then you just give it a spray, and then spray it right into the scalp.
Okay.
Before you wash your hair, just give it a few spray and then massage it for a few minutes, and then that's the antioxidant and the caffeine actually stimulate your scalp for hair growth. Okay. Yeah, so it's at the same time. Yeah.
So basically, you're diluting the coffee. Of course, it's not super thick, right?